Hello class and welcome back. We have another debugging exercise that we need to look at. We are going to fix some of these logic and syntax errors, but this program finds whether a book dealer carries a requested book. Okay, we're using system, console, we have our debugging class. Let's go ahead and just look at our debug, see what it says. Console does not contain a definition for readline. So readline here, that needs to be a capital L. That should take that away. And because we have this line of code up here, the static system.console, we can go ahead and get rid of this console dot and just use the read line. Okay. The name book does not exist in the current context. That is on line 15. So we are looking at book, but that's going to be a S because that matches that up there. Okay. No overload for method binary search takes one argument. Line 15. Okay, so we are taking this. So what that means is we have this array and we're doing a binary search. Well, the very first argument we have is the array we're searching. And the second argument we have is we're trying to find the thing that we're trying to find. So that needs to be this entry string here. Entry string. That'll work. Okay. If x less than 0, right line not found, that needs to be the entry string. And we need to put entry string down here too. Okay, so that takes care of all the red errors. Let's go ahead and run it and see if that is correct. I'm just going to say Harry Potter. That's what I'm going to keep in mind here. What book are you looking for? Let's do Harry Potter. Yes, we have Harry Potter. Great. Let's run it again. And let's pick a book that's not on there. Let's pick To Kill a Mockingbird. It's not found. All right. That's perfect. They don't have that book. They did have Harry Potter. Everything here is working now. Let me know if you have any questions or issues, and we will see you in the next video. You guys have a great day.